longer. The pressures in life made me stronger. He made me grow with hunger. Walk with the trap. Girl, I said it tough.
Greetings viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Line TV. Sunday morning was the official end to Reggae Sumfest 2022, and after looking at all of the performances, I decided that I am going to do a video highlighting Rygin King, the trap lord, as one of the best persons who ever closed Reggae Sumfest in the last decade. During the video, I also outline some things that take place in his life or change his life forever. Little did I know that just one day after me posting that video, he would have came forward and do an interview, and may I tell you in full details. Him talk about everything what happened in his life during the incident, before the incident, and also what is happening now after the incident. We have to talk about some of them things here. On the other side of things now, it look like Jahshii and Sh0t decide say yo, them now go stop this foolishness what them a deal with. You understand what I say? Them dep on social media said this both through voice note and also both through texting. And it really not look good, it really not pretty. And I feel like say it really need to stop. Before me go into all of the details though, may I ask you for one simple favor. Pause this video for a second. Click that subscription button. Also, click the notification bell just so that you'll be notified each and every time a new video is uploaded on this channel. If you are not new, leave a like and leave a comment. So yes, we'll get straight into it now. As I said, in 2018, Rygin King was privileged enough to be the closing act at Reggae Sumfest. Him did a great job. Him did an exceptional job. And he was a breakout artist during that time. Yes, him bust before that. But when we say breakout artist, we not just mean an artist where run come, do two songs and act. We are talking about artists where probably at for at least a year. And you know, say, yes, this artist is a full-fledged artist in breakout, and in basically breaking away from being a breakout artist to actually solidifying themselves in the industry. Rygin King was that person, which was why him get that privilege in 2018 to close the show. And as I said, him did an exceptional job. Fast forward to 2020. In June, Rygin King was attacked. The news said he was going to a function, I think in a neighboring parish. We all know him come from St. James, driving through Westmoreland, going to a function. While driving on the road, I think his manager met in a car accident with a lady. So them decide say them are gonna stop, and all of this what me I say were also words of Rygin King based on what him say in the interview, and also based on the police report that was put out after the incident. So him say film convoy did their head of him manager. After driving for a while, him notice him not see him manager. Call him manager say, yo, you know, sister, we did meet in an accident. Him say because of that, him turn around and him go back to where the accident happened. While being there, him say him never do come out of the car. But him did have him 2 kids in the car and him girlfriend and whatever the case may be. So he say because of that, him come out and them did it for a while. For one good 45 minutes. These, as I said, are recollections of what Rygin King said happened. Him say while being there, one car drive up, and after the car drive up, it's like the man just pop off and start shoot. Him say everybody that run, him was basically the last run. Him say him did in a shock. Not like say him did coward or no coward, but him say him did in a shock. Him say eventually him push down him son flat for lay down cause him never want him son get shot, and him say him run off. Him say after he run off, him jump over in a one ditch. Him jump over in a the ditch and drop. And him said that was when him really find out say him get shot and him can't move because him a try get up and him cannot get up. Him said the man them never pursue him. And him basically I say, yo, if them did pursue him after him jumping in the ditch, you don't know what would have happened. Anyway, him say him did the animal call for help and whatever the case may be because him couldn't move. Him say him girlfriend come and I try to help him and couldn't help him. This was the part of the story where me not to understand because the female who died in that incident was him girlfriend. And he was saying his girlfriend was trying to help him. Now, bear in mind, Rygin King was shot 3 times. We don't know how much time his girlfriend did get shot. But the mere fact that his girlfriend did try to help him, that simply means that she did probably have more strength at the time. Or, me not really understand that part. But yes, his girlfriend did try to help him, and she just couldn't help him. Later, him say one man from Mobile did a pass, and he was the one who helped them. And him say even while on his way to the hospital, all the man depan just hold it me DJ, just hold it me DJ. Yeah, go pull through and whatever the case may be. Happen that him go to the hospital, you don't know him really come to terms with everything what happened. And during the period of the time when him did the Savalanamar hospital and whatever the case may be, they have to transfer him to another hospital, as I said, because of safety precautions. So that was basically what happened. Quite a few of them get shot. Only person who died was his girlfriend. Fast forward to now. For the longest while, everybody has speculated and I wonder what is going on with Rygin King. Him drop a one music, yes, drop a one video, but based on how him set, everybody I wonder, is Rygin King paralyzed? Can he walk? Can he provide for his family? Whatever the case may be. But at the end of the day, nobody never know fully what the man got through. It was just mere speculation. People, including me, did even wonder if Rygin King they are Jamaica or in the overseas. Because for an attack like that on a public figure, you know see a man a go paranoid, him now go and probably stay in a Jamaica anymore or stay where he used to live. According to Rygin King, he is back in Jamaica. Him talk straight up say, yo, him paranoid. It's like him not trust nobody. Him can't trust nobody because of the incident with Atman. We really have to understand. You see what I say? The man say him paranoid. Him say right now him just start therapy. Him just start therapy and him really hope and pray and hold on upon faith and believe say him a go walk again because right now a wheelchair him inner. Him cannot walk. Him say it has been very, very rough because just look on it. From 2020 till now, him cannot go on a stage show go perform. We all know when it comes on to musicians, especially artists, a stage show, them really make them money from. Yes, him say make money from him streams, he make money from dub and whatever the case may be. And bear in mind, him are the main breadwinner for him family. You understand what I say? So for him not being able to go stage show, which that are basically the biggest part of them earning, that is really rough. A whole heap the DJ all lose out there. So whole heap. You understand what I say? Him have him album we are gonna release soon. It named Therapy. Me personally would advise all who will watch this video, give it a support. If you can buy it, at least give it a one stream. You understand what I say? Because the DJ need it and him deserve it. Cause a bad artist and a little play artist. You understand what I say? But we just really wish, hope and pray for a speedy recovery for the DJ. You understand? Him have the mindset say him go walk again, and we all know your mind conquers all. So from him believe say him go walk again, we are support you and hope and pray say yo, you get to walk again and you can step on some stage show without being in a wheelchair and go shell it down. Quick and fast. Intence and Jahshii, them still a go at it. And me just want to tell you man, them say brother, just squash that. You understand? Because it look to me like it a get out of hand. You understand what I say? It look to me like it a get out of hand. And these are the reasons why the people them always a complain and say, yo, this clash thing no make no sense and them no want to hear this clash thing because it a get physical. And I know say this here back in the days when Merciless and Ninja Man and Bunty and Beanie them a clash. Lyrical clash at this thing there. Them man nowadays, them a take it physical. Well, Jahshii says Sting this year I go keep. And anybody feel like them bad, step to him a Sting. So me I go advise Intence, Silk Bass, and all of the man them when at this clash thing. Just wait until December. Go and put together your songs them from now. Go and put together your lines from now. And just go a Sting December. Go shell the place, win the clash, and prove say you are the baddest. Anyway, people, remember to subscribe. Bless up yourself.